What's going on, YouTube? So it's about that time for another little rebel project, and that is going to be a continuation of the last one, which is replacing the halogen bulbs with LEDs. Last video we did the cargo lights up there, so today we're going to do the reverse bulbs here and the plate lights. Let me show you what they look like. Halogen, LED. So let's take a look at what we got here. Okay, sorry about that. So these are the Exito LED lights, same brand that we used for the cargo lights. Let's open it up and take a look. Here they are. You can see same thing. These are CAN bus error resistors, so you don't get any error codes on there. And these are a 7443 size LED, and these will be for the reverse lights and the tail lights. And these right here, these right here are 194 size LEDs, and these will be for the plate lights, and they also fit a lot of the interior lights, so we're going to be switching all of those out as well, but that'll be at a later date. Today we're just going to focus on the exterior. So let's start with the tail lights. All you'll need to install that is just a screwdriver with a T25 torque bit. And let's have a look at it. You come right here, just undo that right there, that right there. It should pop out, and then you just replace it. So all right, let's get to it and knock this out real quick. You have a look right here, you can see these little kind of tabs. Those slide onto right there. So when you're removing this, you don't really want to pull out. You just want to slide it directly back so you don't break those tabs, because that's really how it lines up in there, and it sits nice. Alright, so really all I gotta do is turn this little knob here. This will come out, and that is the reverse bulb. You just got to replace that with the LED, and you're good to go. And there you can see right there a little comparison between the two. LED is a lot bigger, but it's also going to be a lot brighter. So really all you got to do is just stick it right back in there. That's it. Really is the hardest part of the install right there, is just lining up those tabs. Quick easy way to do it is just kind of look at it from back here. You can kind of see where they'll line up and slot in there perfectly, and then once they're in there, and you just put the torque screws back in there and you're good to go. But first, before I put them in, let's test them out to see if they work. Alright, so they work. Kind of see them in there. Big old LED. So I'll put the torque screws back in, go to the other side, and it's done. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the tail lights are now done. Now let's move on to the plate lights. Now these are real difficult. This requires you to reach up right there, turn it counterclockwise, and just pull it out. So, pull one of these. Pull it on out. There you go. So what you want to do is just kind of grab it and wiggle it like back and forth until it just fucking comes out. And there you go. That little bastard right there. Let's replace it with an LED. Grab one of these. Nice and bright. Remember how I said you want to carefully wiggle those out? Well, it's to avoid something like this. That one didn't want to come out too nice. So now I get to pry it out, and it turns a 2-minute job into a 20-minute job. So let me get to this. Alright, so there it is. We got it in there. There's a little tab broke on this side, but it's seated in there nice. And there you see, nice and bright, both sides. Let's just get it back in there. There you go. They match nicely. Cargo lights up there. We'll get a better picture of it at night, but there you have it. Super simple. Plate lights. I'm excited to have those. It should have been a real easy install, but of course it had to be a pain in the ass. And one of these bulbs had to break, but whatever, no big deal. Still possible. Do what you gotta do. Alright. Fast forward to nighttime. And here we go. A little nighttime demonstration of the lights. Definitely a lot brighter around the plate lights. Lights up on cargo. And they match nice with the factory mirror lights. So let's check out all the lights on, including the reverse bulbs. So there it is, a really simple way for you to modernize the look of your truck by just switching out a few bulbs, making it look a little bit more universal, getting rid of those yellow, outdated, in my opinion, looking halogen bulbs. So at the end of this video, I'll put a picture of where I ordered them on eBay. So if you wanted to use these, you know, I've been running them for about a week now. No errors on the dash, no messages, anything like that. So far so good. So if you like this video, just stay tuned for more. Have a good one.